Hi, I'm Jay, one of the internal medicine trainees in Cambridge. I want to take this opportunity to sincerely thank Dr. Ahad for introducing Mrcp syndrome. It has been truly a game changer for me working in NHS as an internal medicine trainee in a hectic hospital. Balancing preparation, personal life alongside work has been really tough and incredibly challenging. To be honest, I wasn't fully on top of my Mrcp preparation. Part 1, I just did around 40 to 50% of past medicine, and I found myself in a situation where I couldn't review my own notes, and that's when Mrcp syndrome happened to me. And I can confidently say that I'm a testament to the effectiveness of the MADBOX series. Especially, I wasn't initially a fan, but during the final week of the preparation, I relied solely on MADBOX. After work, I used to repeatedly go through the MADBOX content, focusing on understanding the concepts rather than just rote learning or just cramming things. And guess what? It worked. With a foundational knowledge that I had and just 40 to 50% of the PASSMED that I did, and solely relying on MADBOX on the last week made all the difference, I would say. In my experience, MADBOX stands out above any other available resource for Mrcp preparation. I would take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Ahad for his dedication to helping Mrcp candidates and for creating such a valuable resource, say it his Pearl Medicine notes or MADBOX series. It's such an invaluable resource, I'm telling you. And MADBOX is without any doubt a must-have for anyone preparing for Mrcp. Thank you.